Come join Zensa Media for some glitz and glam at the Cooking Show Challenge Celebrity Chef Edition Award Show, hosted by Cooking Show Director Seema Aurora, award-winning broadcaster Melinda Beaucaire, and CBC News reporter Kwabena Oduro. The award show will take place at the luxurious Fairmont Queen Elizabeth and will be broadcast from Montreal and Los Angeles. It will feature celebrity guest judges Frank Baylis, Heidi Small, Orla, Johannes, and Kwabena Oduro. 10 of the best celebrity chefs across Canada will be competing for the prestigious top 3 prizes and the Audience Choice Prize. Make sure to check our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel for more information and to check out amazing gourmet recipes from some of the best chefs Canada has to offer. Find out which of these talented chefs will take home the prize of having the top gourmet recipe. Share the love of cooking with your friends. Instagram, Zensa Media. Facebook, Zensa Media. YouTube, The Zensa Media.